Scene opens with Perez, Rosette, Jabez, Joshua, Audrey seated around a table.
Get to the case. Rosette, walk us through the issue again.
Right. During the final stress test, we found a potential flaw in battery casing. Under extreme pressure, there's a small chance it could crack, leading to minor overheating.
Minor? How minor?
It's not a fire hazard, but it could cause discomfort. Maybe a slight burn if prolonged contact occurs.
And this wasn't flagged earlier.
We only replicated the extreme pressure scenario in the last round of tests. Yes, it's a very specific low probability situation.
Low probability, but not zero. How many units are we talking about?
All of them, the entire first production run.
Delaying this launch will cost us a million. Competitors are breaking down our neck.
But at what cost, Jabez?
Joshua, with all due respect, we've done extensive testing. These are edge cases. Yes, we can issue a software update to monitor the battery temperature.
With respect, Jabez, edge cases are still cases. If even one person gets hurt, that's too many.
Andre, we appreciate your perspective. We're trying to safety balance with.
With profit margins, I understand. But as a consumer representative, and right now, I'm hearing a safety concern.
It's not just a discomfort, Andre. Jay, it's a potential burn. Small, yes, but still a burn.
Raymark, you're leading this launch. What's your gut telling you?
My gut is telling me he is wrong. We've worked so hard. I can shake the feeling that we are taking a risk.
Raymark, we cannot afford to be sentimental. We've mitigated the risks. We'll issue statement, offer support. We'll handle it.
Handle it after someone gets hurt? That's not ethically leadership.
With also lose consumer trust. If this get out, it will be catastrophic for our brand.
So, what's the solution? We call the engineer. That takes months.
We can release a limited number of units. Focus control and rollout. We can also release a statement before the launch, transparently outlining the potential issue and measure we're taking. We can also a pre-case that an additional layer of protection.
That would give us a time to implement a hardware to fix the next production run.
Transparency is a key. If consumers know the potential risk, they can make informed decisions.
It demonstrates responsibility, show we values our customers.
Fine, limited rollout, full transparency. And Roxette, I want the details plan for hardware in 2 weeks.
Yes, Jabez, absolutely.
Thank you, Jabez. This is the right decision.
I appreciate to you listening. Listening is not easy to put a safety first, but it's always the right thing to do.
Sometimes true leadership is about choosing the harder path.
The meeting ends, a sense of relief mixed with the weight of the decision hung in the air. The launch will proceed, but with our newfound emphasis on transparency and consumer safety. What were the key challenges faced by the leader? Jabez faced key challenges in balancing profit and safety time pressure, reputation management, decision-making under uncertainty, and navigating conflicting opinions from his team. He had to consider the financial implications of a product launch, the potential damage to the company's reputation, and uncertainty of the flow, and the ethical responsibility of consumer safety. How did Morris ethics and values influence the decision-making process? Morris ethics and values influence decision-making processes. Joshua's ethical leadership prioritized on customer well-being. Remark's concise emphasis transparency. Rosette honesty was traced and integrated. Audrey's advocacy focused on user safety, and Jabez involving perspective recognized the long term of the consumer trust and responsible action. These factors influence the decision-making process. Was there a clear right answer? Why or why not? No, there was no absolutely clear right answer. The situation presented an ethical dilemma with competing values. The chosen middle ground was a limited, transparent launch with a hardware fixed plan, balancing risk and immediate financial impact while prioritizing consumer safety, protecting the company's reputation, and upholding ethical standards. What are some potential consequences of each option considered? The potential consequences of launching as planned without transparency include potential consumer injuries, reputation damage, public backlash, financial losses, missed market opportunity, and investor confidence. Limited rollout with transparency reduces immediate financial impact, build consumer trust, and reduce injury risk but has limited negative press.